Subscribe asp.net tutorial channel and press the bell icon for latest update videos. Welcome to my channel asp.net tutorials. Welcome friends to bootstrap 4 tutorial series. So friends, today we have learned class collapse in bootstrap 4. So friends, let's start. So friends, in last video we have learned a drop-down class in bootstrap 4, and friends, today we have learned a collapse class. So friends, using this and paste, and first I show you the drop-down class, and friends, you can see the drop-down class. And next you can see, sorry friends, not the click class collapse. And this is a class collapse. It's perfect. So friends, we have using two classes for making using a collapse classes. First friends, we are using a data tuple using a collapse and using for target data, get the data target, and using a demo id given the next div of, and using the another class for collapse. So friends, it's using for a hidden content, and you have click the button and show the content. As you can see, I will click the button and data it will be show. So friends, you can see it is friends class collapse in bootstrap 4. I hope friends you like the video. If you like the video friend, please like, share and subscribe, and latest videos update, press the bell icon. For more information, like our Facebook page and follow on Instagram and Twitter. If you have any query friends, you can ask me, comment or email, and visit my website www.asp.nettutorials.com. and thank you for watching videos.